Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Samla Lorenza Song Thiang. Kala Shah Jied ban Mihkhmat yakari India. Shaka Pan Creation World Combat Game. Kaban long Riyadh Saudi Arabia haubnai risau arhajar arpulai. Habakren cikilat patai kubor mentah kasi kalai terik unailar. Kalau Lorenza kalai thu bala syai kasi kasau terik unailar arhajar arpulai. Kan mi banet sa Thailand ban pentibet syuk ela dia. Shah banet yishim mentah Shaka World Combat Game.
Laibro kekerteng jonga kedai Miss Lorenza Songtiang masyong masa hapo lakor buntanuman ban kedai kun jong ikong Anita Songtiang bat iba doni rani bat I mei jongaru ide ikyang ba awadi jong wrestling bari paru ide I bala national but international medalist jong ka martial arts berkhidmat bat diru hakatu kapor ka founder Jongki sports ki prepare ko wushu, karate, kickboxing, nangta pan creation ke berlangsung recently keski ban kiwe bat kaji knedo. Te hagani ka championship ke bangale chimenta ke de ka world championship ke belalong hapo Uzbekistan hau benai April bat hagani ka championship ngalawan ra ya ke bronze medal nang ke de championship ringkat bat kiwe ki athletes na kiwe states but na kiwe states te hakani ka championship ni don kata qualification round jong ka world combat games ka bala itu la ka international olympic committee ka ban salong hapo Riyadh Saudi Arabia minta usnem haubunai October but hakani ka world combat games ngadai tang mga kakasi kebakri history hapo Meghalaya kapsya select benda hapo World Combat Games. Kani World Combat Games kaban long hapo Saudi Arabia. But ikini credits berokhat nga ay siya ipalalam nanti yang nga nadong mutua ng red hadu kat kani garta. But deling banjong banga sayo kajing itu kajing recognition na kiwe ki sports prepare te hak kickboxing ru ngalai hau snam arhajar apuar ngayo ya ka silver medal ha ka Asian Championship ke belalong ha Thailand but kiwi sports hapo Sri Lanka ru ngayo ya ka gold medal ha ka jikunedo but dei lingba kini ki sports bangayo ban kiu ki kerdan ki prepare ki platform ki prepare but kini e porokhat ngai kublai ya ipahi but image bala support yang hakani ka jinya nanti but mentang ngan let dan tebet ila dia support Thailand kata kemut mi lasai but ka training jonga ka sedang hundreu terik but kani ka jingli tebet jonga Thailand kan day but kani ka sports pancreation shwa bangan let menta support Saudi Arabia Indian Olympic Association. Dear President Usha, the present letter shall serve to address the issue of selection of Indian karate athletes for qualification places in 19th Asian Games to be held under the umbrella of the Olympic Council of Asia at Hangzhou, China from 23rd September to 8 October 2023. It was brought to our attention that the Indian Olympic Association see attached letter of 4th May 2023 has sought names of Indian karate athletes from the association which are not members of the WKF and now again in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. See the attached letter of 12 June 2023. Intends to organize trial and supervision of committee including the representative of IOA in which athletes from organizations different to only recognized National Karate Federation in India, namely the Karate India organization, are listed as eligible.